హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, టుడే నేను ఎడిషన్ ట్రిక్స్ గురించి చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. అయితే ఫస్ట్ బేసిక్స్, మనకి ఎడిషన్ అంటే తెలియాలి కదా. Like I have a number 26 and 54. Generally we do, if we know the basics, like 6 plus 4 10. If we drop 0 here and taking 1 here, then the answer is 80, and likewise 32 91. So what you are going to learn newly, tricks of newly, that is a 3-digit trick. See, we have a 346 and 529. See, generally we start from right side, but now we have to start from left side, like 3 5 8 and 4 2 6 6 9 15. Totally comes 5 6 1 7 8 0 8. So the answer is 875. Now if we observe 896 and 234, see, 8 plus 2 10, 9 plus 3 12, 6 plus 4 10. See here, 0 comes down, 2 plus 1 3, 0 plus 1 1, 1 comes down. So the answer is 1130.